Hello, welcome back. Just 2 days to go. We're on day number 23, so I've just got these last two here, and here's day 23. So what's in it? Let's have a look. Today we have this is a bundle of sari ribbon, and in this kind of dusky pink colour. Whole roll of that, so that's going to be fun to play around with. Let's see what we can do with that. Okay, for this page I pulled out, I've got my sari ribbon, but I also pulled out the washi tape and a couple of other bits. One of the tabs again, one of the little frames that we had, a sticker, so a couple of bits from some of the other days. And the first thing I thought I'd do, let me just move this to one side, is just make myself up a little bundle here. I pulled out some words which says, as she listened to the water, which is what I'm actually currently doing, because I can hear the river as I work. And then I just kind of thought of layering up a few of these things, you know, sort of having the words there and having the little frame around, something like that. So let's see, I'm gonna put my sticker down. I've just got this plain piece of white paper to create a little background on. Just have to keep kind of lining things up as I work, so I can get things in the right place. As she listened to the and water will just about fit in there, I think. Don't want to cover up the flower completely, something like that. And then my other frame sticker will go over the top and hold it all in place. So I'm just going to stick those words down and I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so I've stuck that all down and trimmed it down, and that's what that's looking like. So I'm happy with that. And then let's bring our journal back in and decide what else we want to do. Oh, I also pulled out a bit of that ribbon again, and we've got our sari ribbon here. I'm thinking it'd be interesting to see what kind of texture the ribbon creates as a background. But then also, do I want it as kind of a ruffle on here almost, something, or I'm not quite sure yet. Let me stick this down and see what happens there. Can't believe it's the last day tomorrow, that it's Christmas Eve tomorrow. Oh my goodness me, it's flown by. It really, really has. And I really hope that you've enjoyed following along. Thank you to everybody who has liked my videos or left me a comment. I really do appreciate it, or who've been following me over on Instagram as well. Thank you to those of you that did buy one of my calendars. I hope you've really enjoyed using it and opening the days and working in your own little journals. Okay, let's give that a dry and then see what happens with that. Okay, a layer of the gesso over the top of that so I just want to get the texture of all of the ribbon and the sort of loose threads along the edges. I'll just move that to one side for a moment. That's quite nice. I don't know if I want the ribbon here somewhere. Do I want it in the middle? Do I want that? I'm not quite sure. Maybe I want it on the edge. Well, the edge is quite nice. Just using some of the gesso to, whilst it's there, to glue that down. It might need some glue yet, but try and incorporate it in as best as we can, like that. Let's give that a dry. That's dry, and I did put a little bit of glue down on that as well, on the ribbon. And then I'm going to take some of my washi tape and start adding a little bit of that in here and there. No real plan, again, just playing around with the materials that I've got and seeing what happens. Let's put a little bit of the washi on our tag here as well. Some of that's not sticking very well, so I might have to put a layer of the matte medium over the top just to seal that down. Okay, that's looking good. Let me have a think. I took some more, punched a hole and put a little bit more of the sari silk in on my tag there. And I've pulled out some watercolours. This is the Woodland range from Prima Marketing. Oh, I'm being out of focus. Come back. Oh. Are we back? Don't know why. I feel like that's struggling to focus a little bit. I think that's better. So watercolors. I'm going to take some of this. This is called Stream, and kind of take some of that and blend some of that in amongst my washi tape here. And we'll put in, this one's called Pond. So it's just kind of, it's very quiet in the house today, and inspired by just this sort of very quiet solitude, sitting here in my little art studio, listening to the river, and there's no real other sounds. It's very, very peaceful, and just trying to get that across, I suppose. This other last one I was using was called Mist. I'm really liking that. Let's give it a quick dry again. And there we have it. I think I'm leaving it there. I've stuck my tag down, and it's a very soft page really, but I like it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you tomorrow for Christmas Eve. Take care. I'll see you then.